So hello guys, I just currently wake up. The current time is 9. So I didn't wake up early today because yesterday night I slept late, and so today I'm going for the college. I have analyzed the London session at morning. Also upload it on my community. So yes, I will meet you in the college once I take the bath. So hello guys, I just came from the gym. I forgot to shoot after I came from the college. I directly go to the gym. There was no much time to shoot. Sorry for that. So yes, currently doing some my work. So yes, I will do my work and I will meet you till that. So hello guys, I have completed my work. Also written the tomorrow. Also written the tomorrow's task. So yes, here we come to the end of this documentary. If you like this documentary, please hit the like button, share button and subscribe button. Meet you in the next documentary. Till that,